Welcome to Egypt, a beautiful oasis where history breathes through every grain of sand, where the desert meets the Nile, and where ancient wonders continue to captivate our minds. But what if I told you that there is more to Egypt than its past? What is up and welcome to Manps on the Map and to the Rixos Sharm El Sheikh, a 5-star ultra-luxury adults-only all-inclusive resort, one of the highest rated hotels in the whole of Egypt. So this 3-part series is going to focus on all things Rixos, and spoiler alert, this hotel is an absolute madness. We're going to be covering it all, including a food tour. Of course there's going to be a full-on resort tour, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you around one of the hotel rooms, so let's take a look. So the staff here at Rixos kindly upgraded us for our anniversary. So they actually upgraded us to this deluxe room, which is newly renovated and has a garden view, which I'll show you later. So if you follow me, first things first, we've got this massive bathroom with a huge walk-in shower. There is a bathtub and your usual amenities, shower gels, hair shampoos, things like that. And you can see it's Anjana Spa branded, which is basically the hotel's spa. And there's your usuals, a toilet and a butt washer. Although the toilet actually has a butt washer built in, which is a game changer. So this is the toilet, this is the butt washer, and then this little kind of twisty knob here is the toilet's butt washer. So that is butt washer 101 by Manps on the Map. And here is a wardrobe. You've got a safe, some storage, plenty of storage in this room. And then there is another wardrobe here, which basically has his and hers robes, so 2 robes, and kind of spare pillows, bedding.
And slippers.
And Rixos branded slippers, which are sealed, so we won't open those. But you can see the Rixos branding through there. And if you follow me, this is basically the massive bedroom. And you can tell it's newly renovated, it just looks incredible. And when we first came into this room, we were like, whoa, because it wasn't what it looked like on the pictures. We weren't expecting the upgrade. So thanks to Rixos for that, we really appreciate that. You got this massive bed, which is really comfortable. So a really comfy bed. Your usual telephone, lights, lamps, things like that. You've got this huge Samsung TV here, which if you've got like a Google Chromecast or a Amazon Fire Stick, you can plug it in there, watch Netflix, things like that. The TV is also quite new, so it's got screen mirroring as well. So if you do want to cast from your phone, you can. Down here, you've got a mini fridge, which has your usual snacks. We've got Bossman's kebab flavored crisps, which are actually banging, man. These are some good crisps. And then you've got alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, and they'll replace those daily. Or if you need any more, just give the desk a call and they'll do that for you. That's a nice touch. And this is an all-inclusive hotel, so all drinks, all food is included. Eat as much and drink as much as you like. Here you've got a little coffee and tea station should you want something in the evening. And then you've got a nice little seating area. And this is kind of the living quarters with a nice sofa to chill. The boss man gave us some fresh fruit as well, which was a nice touch. And in here is the TV remote. And that's about it for this room. I'll show you the balcony. It does have a balcony and it's a garden view. It's not the most amazing view, but you know, you're not in the room all the time. I'm not too fussed about that. But let's go to the balcony and I'll show you what's good. So this, oh it's hot man. So we're here in August, towards the end of August, and it's about 40 degrees Celsius here. So it is hot, there's a gentle breeze, and as long as you're in the pool, you're all right. So this is the balcony. We haven't really spent much time on the balcony, but if you want to come over here, I'll just show you the view. So yeah, this is the garden view. So some nice trees, bushes, all that kind of garden jazz. So yeah, that is the garden view. And this was pretty cool. Okay, follow me. So I actually saw our like room neighbor do this, but if you grab this and pull this, you get a cool drying stand to dry your clothes. It's a bit hard to close. Let's just get over here. So that is the deluxe room here at Rixos Sharm El Sheikh. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like. If you got any questions about my time at the Rixos Hotel, my time in Sharm El Sheikh, then leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Manps on the Map. Every subscription helps the channel grow, get bigger, and I appreciate all the support so far. I'm also going to be releasing a resort and food tour, so look out for that. And as always, it's been a pleasure. Till next time, peace!